If you're looking to build a new PC or you just want to add some nice aesthetics to your current setup, I may have just what you need. Hi, I'm James and welcome back to Newegg Now. Today we're looking at the Kediers ATX mid-tower computer case. Design-wise, this case certainly makes a statement. But before I get into that, let's talk about something a little bit more tangible. The open design helps keep the GPU temperature low, allowing your computer to run more smoothly. Worth noting, the maximum GPU card length is 330 millimeters. The maximum CPU cooler height is 165 millimeters. It offers PSU support up to 200 millimeters and also supports mini-ITX, ATX, and ATX motherboard. Now the top I/O panel, I'll give you a look at that, includes two USB 3 ports here on the side, one USB 2 port. You've got your audio in and audio out, and on top this is your power button for the unit. Down here, if you have a look at the base of the tower, this is actually a button to control the RGB. So I'm just going to click this and you'll watch the RGB fans LED features come to life. Now, onto the design. First off, if you have components you'd like to show off inside, or you just want to make the most out of this RGB stock fan setup with their vibrant colors, then look no further. The large tempered glass side panels really open things up in terms of getting those aesthetics out. Each panel is 4 millimeters thick and made of translucent tempered glass, offering great protection to your internal components while also giving you a good look at the RGB lighting effects inside. The case features synchronizable RGB lighting via the motherboard, which allows you to control fan lighting provided you have a 5-volt 3-pin addressable RGB motherboard inside. This RGB sync is compatible with motherboard software including Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and more. So if you don't have a 5-volt 3-pin header motherboard, don't worry. This case also comes with this handy remote control as well, which will allow you to control the fans manually. So I'll give you a look at how this remote control works. As you can see here, we have our fan controls at the top. If I click this, the fans are going to power down. Let's power them back up. Here's your on-off for the lighting. Get the fans going again. There we go. You have a variety of other modes in terms of colors. If you just like to go with a simple RGB lighting setup, we can go with your red, green, blue, purple, cyan, and yellow. Okay, and here we've gone back to its breathing rainbow light pattern. So there's a few different ways that you can set this up to get the best look for your environment. The Kediers ATX mid-tower computer case really screams gaming rig to me. It certainly makes a bold statement. If it's your cup of tea, check out the product link in the description below to learn more about it. For more on this product and other PC cases, RGB fans, gaming gadgets, and more, head over to Newegg.com. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one.